Alright, let's cut to the chase. You've got a Tesla. You've heard about this fancy autopark feature. You're probably thinking, hey, that would be sweet to have my car park itself. No more parallel parking stress. And you're right, it would be awesome. But here's the burning question, do you actually need full self-driving, FSD, for this feature to work? Let's dive in. Now, Tesla has a way of making things a bit confusing, especially when it comes to their tech packages. You've got autopilot, enhanced autopilot, and then the big daddy, full self-driving. It's like trying to figure out which streaming service has that one specific show you want to watch. So, let's break it down. Autopilot is basically the base package. It's got features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. It's helpful, but it won't park your car for you. Enhanced autopilot used to include autopark, but things have changed. Here's where it gets interesting. Currently, to enjoy the convenience of autopark, you typically need full self-driving. That's the top-tier package that promises a self-driving future, but for now, it's more like a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Autopark is one of those features. But hold your horses. Things can change. Tesla is constantly updating its software, and features can be shuffled around. So, while it might be true today that you need FSD for autopark, there's always a chance that could change in the future. Now, you might be thinking, FSD is super expensive. Is there a workaround? Well, not really. Some people have reported success with older software versions where autopark was available without FSD. But this is risky. You could lose the feature with a software update, and it's not something I'd recommend relying on. So, there you have it. As of now, to enjoy the hands-free parking party, you generally need to invest in full self-driving. It's a bitter pill to swallow, I know. But hey, maybe Tesla will have a change of heart and make autopark more accessible in the future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.